The site that I'm looking at right now is called helpareporter.com. And basically, what you do is you subscribe to this site, and you'll get emailed a few times per day when a reporter needs to talk to an expert in a particular field uh, that you have chosen. Now, there's many categories that you can subscribe to, and if you help these reporters, most of them will be happy to plug your website. So, for example, they may ask you questions on something related to weight loss if that's your niche, and you can provide a few quotations that they could use, and they will source you. They'll give you credit for that, and maybe even link to your site. So just looking at the site here, it does mention that nearly 30,000 members of the media have quoted uh, sources from this site, so members of this site. So this is a great way for you to get lots of free traffic, as it can help you build a relationship with reporters and get your website more exposure. A great way to get lots of free traffic is to do guest blogging, and guest blogging is where you write blog posts for other people's blogs. Now the key here, as with all most of the videos that I've made so far on this topic of free traffic, is quality. You have to provide quality content, and quality content will make the blog owner thank you for your content, and they'll most likely invite you back, and most importantly, the readers will love your content and will click on your links in your resource box. Now, so let's just go ahead and take a look at some sites out there where you can find blogs that are looking for guest bloggers, and there's plenty of them. You could do a Google search, but let me just show you three of them. Here's the Guest Blogging Network. Just go to guestbloggingnetwork.com. There's bloggerlinkup.com, and there's blogsynergy.com. Now, you can also approach popular blogs that may not be in any of these networks. You can approach them directly and offer them your content. And the key here is, when you're contacting these popular blogs, is to not look like you're begging, but to act as if you're hooking them up with content. So make sure when you contact the blog owner, that you let them know that you're going to give them some good quality content, and to not look like you're looking for some traffic. A great way to get lots of free traffic is to post on forums. The site I'm on right now is the Warrior Forum, and this forum is for internet marketing. But the thing is, you need to help people with their questions and provide quality information. Quality is key here. Another key is to post in forum threads that have a lot of activity, because these have lots of posts and lots of views. So there's a greater chance that people are going to see your posts, and the more people that see your posts, the more people that will click on your link in your forum signature. You can also post in forum threads that you think has the potential to get popular. For example, if it's on a topic is hot, and you have a gut feeling that a lot of people are going to be commenting on it, you could be one of the first to post on that thread. And of course, you could even start your own helpful threads. Okay, so let's just dive in here, just give you an example. Let's just click on the main discussion forum here, and as you can see on this side here, you can see the total views for each thread in here. And let's just go for the highest one here. Right off the bat, I see 389. That's not bad. So have you ever made money from list building? So if you have an internet marketing list, and you market to people that are interested in list building, this is great for you to comment on. As you can see, there's lots of comments on here, and a lot of them even have links to their sites.